In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up connector for Salesforce and Jira in Salesforce 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have the connector installed in Jira and ready to link with your Salesforce org. You'll need Jira administrator access, and it helps to have a Salesforce admin on standby for the authorization step. First, sign in to your Jira site with an account that can install apps. Starting from your Jira home or projects page, look toward the top navigation. You'll see an option to expand more menus. Open that to reveal additional options, then choose Apps. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace inside your Jira instance. In the Apps area, use the search bar and type Connector for Salesforce and Jira. Be sure to select the listing that matches that exact name. Before you proceed, double-check that the app is compatible with your Jira deployment type, whether that's cloud or data center. It's also a good idea to quickly review the overview and permissions so you understand what the connector will access. Open the app's page and click Install or Add to Jira. In Jira Cloud, you'll typically see a Try It, Free, or Add button, followed by a permissions prompt. Approve the requested scopes and wait for the installation to complete. Don't navigate away while Jira installs. You'll see a confirmation when it's ready. If your organization uses strict app governance, you may need an approval from a site admin before the install can proceed. Once installed, the connector will prompt you to configure your Salesforce remote site. In practical terms, this means telling the connector which Salesforce environment to communicate with and then authorizing the connection. Have your Salesforce domain handy, decide whether you're connecting to a production org or a sandbox, and make sure API access is enabled for the user who will authorize. Follow the app's setup wizard to enter your Salesforce URL, sign into Salesforce when prompted, and grant access so Jira can exchange data securely. If your security team requires allow listing, ensure the relevant endpoints are permitted before testing the connection. After configuration, return to Jira's Apps menu and open Connector for Salesforce and Jira. From here, you'll see the connector's home and can manage settings such as connection status and additional configuration options provided by the app. At this stage, your installation is complete and the Salesforce link is established, so you're ready to proceed with any mappings or rules your team plans to use. That's it. You've installed the connector, connected it to Salesforce, and accessed it inside Jira. If you run into issues, review permissions, confirm you're using the correct Salesforce environment, and rerun the authorization flow.